We're here in Paula Dean's kitchen today, and I've got my girlfriends here today. We're just going to have ourselves a lovely, lovely shrimp fest filled with butter. You know, I don't want to use no oil today. I just want to use lots and lots of butter. What we have here is some beautiful Philly cream cheese filled celery sticks. And we got a nice salad. You know we got to have a little leafy greens in there. Now y'all come over and check out my lemon sprayed shrimp.
Lemon sprayed shrimp!
Yo, stop murdering! That's my daughter over there who's gulleting down my... Oh, now she's choking it. Oh, no, CPR. Oh, darling, you need some water. Put your hands in the air and praise Jesus that you don't die tonight. Are you all right?
You're making me piss my pants.
Stop it. Them Tina made us. Tina, turn around and show yourself, child.
I'm good.
Tina made us some beautiful manicotti. Child. I don't know what's in it because I ain't Italian, but you know it's gotta be good, child. Then in here we got some shrimp scampi with lots more butter. Child, from our kitchens to yours. And good dishes and good wishes. And my name